a petition has been filed in regards to the land revenue code. How do you comment on that?
I think the people have asked for it. I think since they have already applied they have already put it in the court. The government will reply. The only thing is we have not changed any rates of RTI.
थोड्यांक चार्ज केले तेंच्यान ते
जे चार्ज केल्या फॉर वॉट टायप ऑफ डॉक्युमेंट्स ते तांणी दाखोवचे पडटले. जे समज कुमुदादीचो सर्टिफाईड डॉक्युमेंट मागला कसलो मागला तर दिस आर रेट्स नॉट प्रिस्क्राइब बाय दीस गव्हर्मेंट. These were existing rates. This government has not changed any rate to make it rupees 50 for a RTI copy. So समज कोणे raise केला legally, the government will reply. But I don't remember having changed a rate of RTI to 50 rupees. The thing stays where it is. सो ते 50 रुपया त्यांनी कसले मागल्या ते आमकांच प्रश्न पडला कित्याक मागल्या काय म्हणून. आता ते रेट समज पयलीं नोटिफाय आसा आमी येवच्या पयलीं समज आशिल्ले नोटिफायड एंड फॉर अ पर्टिक्युलर टायप ऑफ डॉक्युमेंट्स दे बीन प्रिस्क्राइब्ड then I think they should have shared their representation to the government and taken a clarity and they filed. So if they wanted to file it in the High Court, then how can I comment on it? It is for the government to reply on it. The type of documents which they are talking about RTI land revenue, the revenue department rates change. RTI applicable rates will be being charged to them.